సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Now we are going to discuss photoelectric devices. Which device satisfied the photoelectric effect is called photoelectric device. Which device photoelectric effect satisfied, that device is called as photoelectric device. First of all, what is the photoelectric effect? What is the photoelectric effect? Photo means photons in light. Some light incidence on the metal body or metal strip. The light incidence on the metal, then some electrons are emitted, is called photoelectric effect. Okay, some light incidence on the metal body, so the light incidence on this metal body, some electrons are emitted, so this effect is called as photoelectric effect. So it means the relation between light and electricity. The relation between light and electricity is called photoelectric effect. So the relation between light and electricity was first discovered by Hertz. So in 1887. Okay, the relation between light and electricity was first discovered by Hertz in 1887. That name is called photoelectric effect. This branch that combines optics with electronics. So this branch, this is the optics. Light means optics. This optics combined with electronics is called optoelectronics. So this optoelectronics lead to number of devices. That number of devices called is optoelectronic devices such as LDR, LED, LCD and photodiode, transistor, solar cell. These are all photoelectronic devices. These devices that convert electrical energy into optical radiation. They are known as emitters, such that LED, diode, laser, devices that convert optical radiations into electrical energy, such that photovoltaic cell, solar cell, these are all photoelectric devices. First is the What is the photoelectric effect? The relation between light and electricity is called as photoelectric effect. This is the metal. This is the metal. Light incidence on the metal. Light incidence on the metal in the form of photon. So light incidence on the light incidence on the metal. Then after incidence, so what is the metal? Metal is the full of free electrons. So when the light is incidence, form of the photons, some electrons are emitted. This is the way. These electrons emitted. So these electrons are emitted towards positive plate. These are all negative. This is the positive. So total this system is in glass tube. So this is the photoelectric. So this light energy, this is the light incidence on the metal. This light energy is converted into electricity. Electricity means minus. This is the positive attracted by. So this is the way. So this light energy is converted into electricity energy. So this is called photons photoelectric effect. This phenomenon is called as photoelectric effect. Which device satisfied this phenomenon is called photoelectric device. Okay, this photo emission depends upon metal use. Which metal use? The photo emission depends upon this metal. Okay, so these the lights are some ultrasonic lights are visible lights, so on. This phenomenon of photo emission was first observed by Hertz and later confirmed by J.J. Thomson. And finally photoelectric emission was explained by our hero Einstein. Okay, photoelectric effect is first observed by Hertz and first confirmed by J.J. Thomson and successfully explained by Albert Einstein in 1905. So Einstein was successfully explained photoelectric effect in 1905 with help of quantum theory. Quantum theory of light means quantum packets. Those are all photons. So some photons are incident on the metal, some electrons are emitted. So this light energy is converted to electricity energy. So this is the photoelectric effect. Which devices are satisfied the photoelectric effect? Those devices are called photoelectric device. This effect first discovered and first observed by Hertz and first confirmed by J.J. Thomson and finally successfully explained by Albert Einstein with help of the quantum theory of light. Einstein photoelectric equation is the H nu. Einstein photoelectric quantum equation is H nu equals to half mv square. H nu equals to omega plus half mv square. This is the Einstein photoelectric equation. Okay, here emitted electrons are photoelectrons, and current due to photoelectrons are called photocurrent emitted. So these electrons are called photoelectrons, and photoelectrons, the current due to photoelectrons called photocurrent emitted.